All right, y'all, so it's about 10 o'clock and I just started on this, putting it back together. Now I'm to the point where these were stapled into the side here. This is actually where the cover goes for the lever to move the seat front and back. And then it has a button here to move the whole seat front and back. So what I'm doing now is just using the staple gun. Shout out to Dwight Griffin of the Griffin Brothers, Griffin Designs out there in Kansas City, Missouri. He told me to get the staple gun from Harbor Freight, and it's actually working perfect. There's a couple ones that wouldn't go in right away, so a couple of them bent, or a few of them bent, and then a few of them kind of went in partial. So I just took my hammer, lightly tapped them in, and that did the job. So anyways, I must do this other side, so I thought I would just kind of show you guys what I'm doing here, and then I'll go over kind of everything that I did to put this thing back together. So careful not to staple my finger. Oh, that one went in perfect. So yeah, this thing's actually pretty cool. This little knob here adjusts I guess the depth that you want it to go. I'm not sure if that has to do with anything as far as like how hard it pushes out or what. Maybe it's just more so the depth where you want it to start. So if you start it, push it down a little closer, maybe it'll go in a little harder, faster. I had it initially backed out a ways and then it wouldn't go in. So I pushed it down a ways, or turned the knob down a ways, and it worked pretty much almost flawlessly. So yeah, see, that one went in perfect. So yeah, that worked. Perfect. I did paint all these trim pieces as well, so those are looking nice and sharp, you guys. Everything's clean, everything's ran, everything's good to go. So the next steps here are going to be, I'm actually going to steam the leather, and I'll just do that here real quick on camera. And then I gotta actually, we'll see, I gotta steam the leather, then clean it, and then condition it, I believe is what he said. So well, at least in one of his, he sent me a voice memo, Dwight sent me a voice memo of how to clean and kind of bring these leather pieces back. So he says a lot of the times if you steam it, then it'll kind of loosen the leather up a little bit, and then it'll kind of bring the life back into it a little bit, kind of like what I did with the foam. I don't know if you guys saw my video with the foam. I actually steamed the foam, and he says that actually will bring back the life of the foam unless it's just really old. So anyways, let me go ahead and do that real quick. I'll probably just time lapse that as well too. My wife has a steamer for clothes, so I'm going to use it on this and then go from there. I'm using this stuff right here. So this is called Doc Bailey's Leather Black, and basically what it is, it's a conditioner and a dye all in one. So it cleans, restores, preserves, re-dyes, waterproofs all black leather and vinyl and rubber. Leaves a beautiful non-sticky, non-slippery surface, excellent for seats, saddlebags, jackets, chaps, furniture. So it's good for a lot of different things. And we'll see. No turning back now, no turning back now. I'll do a few minutes of me close up, so I'll scoot the camera a little closer. But I'm really trying to not get it on this material, so I gotta pay really close attention. And then what I'll probably do with the rest is just time lapse it. Or shoot, maybe not even time lapse it. Or maybe I'll time lapse a little bit, and then I'll cut the video off and then chime back in when it's all done. And you guys can get a full look at what this looks like. I think it's already already looking better. All right, this is actually looking really good. So these scratches right here aren't totally coming out, but it's far better than what it once was. So what I'll do is I'll go ahead and just shut the camera off here, go ahead and let it time lapse a little bit, let it go through, let it do its thing, and you can see me kind of working here. And I'll just do a little short time lapse, and then I'll chime back in when it's all done. Night and day difference, man. Ooh wee. I mean, look at that middle seat. Remember those scratches over there? Man, you can barely see them. I mean, you have to get really close in order to see them. And even at that, you can't see them no more. Man, this turned out great. And I purposely didn't shine the LED on it just because I wanted you guys to see it like in natural light, or natural in quotes light, but there's LEDs, little ring light on it, but I wanted to get you that normal light so you can see how it looks, man. Get in the comments, y'all. Let me know what you guys think. It is 1 o'clock and I'm just up. I was just watching TV, just sitting, you know, like, I'm actually a night owl, you guys, so I stay up late all the time. I actually stay up to like 1, 2 o'clock. That's usually my norm. So I was just letting the dye just kind of sit in, and then I came and just wiped it down. And man, I am really, really happy with it. So what I did is I just went one time through, just because the leather is really not that bad. I figured like one time through with just like a medium coat would probably do it. Now here, well, kind of more in the center here, people kind of sat over here over time, especially this one right here, being that it had the most wear on it. I put about 3 coats on here about 20 minutes apart or so, maybe 15, 20 minutes apart. So I'd put a thick layer on, I'd let it dry, somewhat dry, then I'd wipe it in, put another coat on, thick coat, kind of let it somewhat dry, and then I did it again. What I was trying to do is fill in the imperfections of the line. Now you can kind of see them. You got to get at the right angle. And by doing so, I think what it did is it soaked that stuff in, and it made it look like this. I mean, from the top, you used to be able to really see it, but you can like barely see it now. But my main thing is from afar, man, it looks good. You could really see it from here. I'm happy I went this route, you guys. It looks super, super nice. And I think once it kind of just sets in overnight, when I look at it in the morning, I think it's gonna look that much better, you guys. So get in the comments, let me know what you guys think. I'm gonna go ahead and conclude this video, you guys. I am really happy with this. Pretty much this seat is complete. I just gotta do the back piece and then we're all set, you guys. So anyways, get in the comments again. Let me know what you guys think about this. Again, a little bit of time, a little bit of elbow grease made all the difference. You know, sometimes you don't have to go out and spend a lot of money reupholstering every single little thing. Sometimes you could just save a little bit, do it yourself, get it done. Definitely like, comment, subscribe, share, do all that good stuff. Y'all, Mr. Griffin 23 in the building. Yeah, buddy.